engine with H2O. Today I will demonstrate our circuit plus instrument and how it is used to detect faults in electrical circuit of vehicles. The instrument can detect faults such as misfire, discontinuity, short and defective parts in the circuit. So in terms of electrical faults, the electrical circuit fault can be a major cause of safety problems, large warranty claims for OEMs and customer inconvenience. So coming to the device, the instrument, here is the display unit from where you can run the test program and view the test result. And here are the two connectors having 64 pin each. This allows us to test 64 lines of circuit at a time. And here are the cables which will act as a vehicle circuit for the purpose of this demo, and it's said to be a cable in good condition. So for the further testing, I will interface this cable to both the ends of the two connectors at the back. So I have connected now. So I will run the test. So you can see I have selected the program and I have run the test. Now you can see it has generated the final test result, and the report says there are no faults and all the lines are tested okay. So you can see all the lines are intact properly. And I would like to say the instrument will also measure the resistance of the electrical parts such as switches, lamps and sensors and buzzers, and can indicate if the electrical parts are damaged based on the resistance measured. So coming to this is the next test where I will test the faulty cables, where you can see the cable has break in one line, which is set to be line number 4, and there are two wrong connections in this cable. So now I will interface this cable to the instrument. As you can now see, I have interfaced the faulty cable. Now I will run the test again. So I am running the test now. Here you can see it has generated the report. So you can see there are some faulty lines. So it throws two type of errors. One is NC and one is MW. So NC means no connectivity and MW means misfire. So and remaining all the lines are said to be in okay condition. The biggest advantage of this instrument is that it is small and it can be used in any location such as vehicle assembly line or in the service center. If you need to know further about our services and about this instrument, please contact me. My name is Karthikeyan and my number is 9944876511. Thank you.